how to connect Airpods Pro 2 to any Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put your Airpods Pro 2 in Bluetooth pairing mode so that then you can connect them to your Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to put our Airpods in Bluetooth pairing mode, the first thing we need to do is simply make sure that the case is charged and that the Airpods are in the case. From there, open the case, and then on the back, you'll find a little button. Hold down that button until you see the light on the front start blinking white. You might also hear a tone. Once it's blinking, leave the case open. Then on our Samsung's phone, swipe up and select Settings, and then select Connections, and then go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and from there, you just want to look for AirPods. So you'll see your AirPods. They might have your name in front of them. Go ahead and select the AirPods. Once you've selected them, confirm you want to pair, and then it will say Connected. The light on the AirPods will turn off. Now, if for some reason they don't show up, make sure your AirPods did not connect to another device and make sure they didn't time out and that they're still in pairing mode. So now you're good. You can now use these AirPods with your Samsung phone. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.